I had some super good lunch. I ate enough for the whole week for today. If I remember, I'll throw a picture in there. The CB is mounted, but I don't know what the hell's going on. That could have been bad. So I'm not getting any transmission. It says WXI here. It's hooked up properly. I heard people talking. It just, like, even in the old truck, it wouldn't. I don't know if this is like worn out. Maybe I need to buy a new mic. I shouldn't have to though. I mean, that's insane if I do. But it doesn't transmit. But really, the only thing you need a CB for is to listen. So I'm really not that stressed over it, and I don't feel like going to buy a new antenna right now. So it's just like when I got, so you know, when I got a new truck at CFI, for a while the door would like not close, and I thought it would close and my horn would start honking. Well, I've been having that problem here at GP too with my new truck. That is annoying, literally annoying. But we're leaving now, so we're gonna drive about another 3 hours today, call her a day, and tomorrow we'll get up and drive like 400 or 500 miles. Well, not even that. I don't even know. I think we have like 600 left, so it'd be like 360 miles to go tomorrow. But we're gonna go to Carlisle, PA tonight, shut down, do a 10-hour get up and drive over to Connecticut tomorrow. Today's been super short. I only drove 10 miles today. I got to thinking though last night, I was like, man, like I was reading the review on the TA and everyone was like, this place is a piece of crap. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another trucking vlog. Stupid thing, dude. Whatever, get off my screen. It's currently Monday. Happy Labor Day. I know when this comes out, it'll be like a week after Labor Day, but I need to do a tug test here. We're good. We're gonna probably drive about 300 miles today. It's currently noon. I had to wait for my 34 to get over. But I was originally gonna drive this on Saturday. Hey, there's a GP here. I didn't even know there was another one here. I was gonna drive it on Saturday, but then I realized, why would I park at a TA when I can park out of Love's and then just drive 300 miles Monday? Because it's Labor Day, so the warehouse that I'm delivering to, it doesn't open till tomorrow. So I gotta, like, I think it's like a 9 a.m. delivery tomorrow. So we're gonna get out here and knock out these next like 5-6 hours. And after we knock those out, I think we're gonna try to stop at a rest area today. So that way we can get as close as we want to the facility. And then, yeah, we gotta drive a while. We gotta go through the rest of PA, all that. I really do. Wow, that's crazy. Look at all those bobtails up here. I'm glad they parked up there, because they would take all of the spots out back. But a lot of the complaints for this Love's were that there's like a Swift terminal right here, like somewhere. I don't know where it is. Maybe it's on the other side of the bridge. But everyone was complaining that Swift drivers were parking at the Love's when they had a terminal right down the road, which I honestly would rather park at a Love's than even GP's terminal. Like if I was gonna get a shower, only if I was gonna grab a shower though, because like GP has nice bathrooms, but they just don't have towels, and I'm not gonna use one of my own towels for the floor. So like I always use a Love's towel, throw it on the floor for my feet, and I'm not like GP, like they just don't have enough towels. Like when you get there, like every towel's dirty and there's no clean towels for you to step on. So I don't know, I just rather shower at a Love's, which sucks because, like, you know, GP has those courtesy cars, which are awesome. But yeah, anyways, we got probably about to get 300 miles today, and then there's gonna be a rest area that we're just gonna stop at and then get up in the morning and head on in. So I love this new truck though. It's so smooth, like you can't really hear the engine, like it just shifts right, like all this stuff. So we had McDonald's like the whole weekend, which sucked, but at least McDonald's allows you to use coupons. So I think I probably only spent maybe $25 since Saturday. Did I get, yeah, Saturday morning. So it's not bad. This is already Monday and I had lunch already today, so that's what, like 4 meals. It's pretty good. Anyways, we're gonna head on over to our stop and hopefully we make some good time. We're still really light, so I'm not really that worried about it. All right, guys, so I don't even know. If drove like 2.5 hours here. Man, this East Coast crap sucks. It's so densely populated for the area, and I know today's Labor Day too, so like everybody has work off, and then like there's been like 4 times where I've had to pass a car on the right, in the right lane, because they're doing like 55 and a 65 in the middle lane. Like, I think people out here are idiots. I really do. And looks like we're coming to a slowdown here, but I think we got like another 2 hours and 20 minutes to go today, and then we'll shut down, and then I think we'll probably stop about an hour out of Boston, and then tomorrow we'll get on into Boston, make our delivery. I think we're supposed to be there at 10 a.m. I think that's right. I'll check when I get stopped tonight. But yeah, get there on time, get unloaded. It should not, dude, like I'm telling you, like this load should only take like 30 minutes max. It shouldn't even take 10 minutes to get unloaded. It's literally 3 pallets. Like, give me a pallet jack, I can unload it faster than that. So, and then you have idiots like that. Like I know I could get over, but when you see how, like, the middle lane's always the travel lane, right? So, like, if I get over, there's room, but every exit, you have cars that take the exit and they slow down on the interstate, and then you have cars that get on the other side, so you always want to be in the middle lanes. I don't care what any of you say. Even if you're like, oh my god, see, like here, this car's doing 60, dude, look at the gap ahead of him. Like, it's insane. Like, I need to get over now to the left to go around him, and then watch. I can try that, but he might even speed up, so we'll see. Let's see. Are we coming to a stop here? Ah, it's dropping down to 55 anyways, so we're not even gonna try to pass him because my screen's also yellow, so that means we're coming to a stop somewhere. So many cars. All right, so we're gonna try to park at this TA here, but I will not pay for parking, so if it's only reserved, we're gonna keep on, try to find a rest area. This is the only like actual truck stop headed into Boston. The rest are just like rest areas and things like that, so. How do you clean a catalytic converter? Does this person not know how to drive? Oh my good lord. They were like all over the road, hitting the shoulder. Supposed to be a TA up here, so let's see if any free parking. I highly doubt it. We're gonna try. There's like a Love's across the street, but it says it's already full, so. Oh my gosh. Sun is brutal. I have a feeling it's only going to be reserved. Do not fill. I don't even know what that means. These might be free over here. These are reserved. Is that one? I can't tell. Kind of looks like it was. There's a truck there. There's a GP here. I think I may have passed a spot back there. Is this one? No, there's a drop trailer there. See, can I even, yeah, there's this place to turn around back there. Is this one? No. Bobtail back there. These are gonna be tight, even if I can find a spot. There's one right there. That's probably gonna be our best bet, is like one of these. Alright, let's try it. Dude, this is gonna be fun. I don't even know if this is possible, honestly. I don't know if this is possible. Can't tell, is there... If there's two spots there, that'll be easier. Alright, we're gonna have to be on our game here. Already tell we're not gonna get that, so I don't like the sun. I can't. Let me see if this is one here. I'm not really set up for that anyways. If there's two here, that's gonna be way easier. Okay, yeah. See, bro. I'm gonna get out and look because I don't know how close I am on this side. Well, I guess I can. No, I can't. All right, hold on. All right, so far we're looking good. Gotta watch out for this guy here. Man. This is stupid. I think if there was one spot, I wouldn't be able to get this, but since it's two, I can get it. Come on. Make sure I don't take this guy out here. We'll take out this prime. shift this over too. Truck behind this guy, but I'm just gonna go ahead and move it on over just a little bit. Yeah, this is a pain. I think in my year driving, I've never backed up to someone that has those stupid things folded out like that for aerodynamics. I definitely don't want to hit one because it definitely will mess it up. So we are gonna have to get out here in a second and take a look because I gotta make sure.
Come on, everything is A-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.